A wet saw delivers cleaner, more precise cuts and a better finished edge for kitchen floor tiles than a score and snap cutter, especially on dense or thick materials. For professional results on porcelain and large format tiles, use a continuous rim diamond blade on a wet saw with a reliable water feed to cool and lubricate the blade and to minimize dust. Position the tile on the sled or table, align the cut mark with the blade crown, clamp or hold firmly, and feed the tile steadily with constant pressure instead of forcing it. This prevents chipping and blade wander. For angled cuts or notches, mark twice, cut slowly, and make relief cuts for internal shapes by drilling a pilot hole first, then follow the mark with the saw to avoid binding. When cutting thin or standard ceramic tiles for straight, shortcuts consider a score and snap cutter because it is faster and portable, but use a carbide scoring wheel in a single continuous stroke and support the tile close to the score line before snapping to reduce breakouts. Always wear eye protection and a respirator when dry cutting and use water with wet sawing for dust control, and check blade wear regularly since a dull diamond blade increases chipping and poor edge finish. For tile, near walls or cabinets, measure twice, account for grout joint spacing, and use a tile holder or jig to stabilize small pieces during saw cuts. Common mistakes include forcing the tile through the blade, which causes chipping and uneven cuts. The fix is to slow the feed rate and keep the blade sharp and properly cooled. Another issue is incorrect blade choice for the material, which leads to glazed edge fractures. Match a continuous rim diamond blade to porcelain and a segmented or turbo blade for quicker removal on natural stone when appropriate. A third concern is poor measurement and not allowing for grout joints, which results in ill-fitting tiles at edges. Remedy this by dry laying a row, measuring finished gaps, and transferring those exact dimensions to the tiles before cutting. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to kitchen flooring and other projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences together.